Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about love and Wicca, and where is the love in Wicca. I was having a conversation, I'm not quite sure, might have been a week ago or 2 weeks ago, about how love is not mentioned a lot when it comes to Wicca and witchcraft, at least not out there in the public anyway, so I thought I'd do a video about it. But before I do, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. I'm the author of Crafting a Wiccan Path and Tapping into Abundance. If you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft and shadow work and the love, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you just don't know where to start or what to do because it's all a little bit too overwhelming, I have a free video. It's called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So where is the love in Wicca and witchcraft? We don't talk about it much. A lot of other religions do. A lot of other spiritual traditions talk about love, loving kindness, compassion. Some emphasize it really strongly. And we don't talk about it a lot, even though we have the perfect love and perfect trust that often we will say in circle. What is it? What is it about love that we don't talk about, and why don't we talk about it very much? I don't know why we don't talk about it very much. I think a lot of the time with Wicca and witchcraft in general, we tend to focus a lot more on magic and manifesting. We tend to focus on connecting to nature, connecting to ourselves, connecting to spirit, the gods. And somewhere along the line, we kind of forget about the fundamental principle of love, which is actually what binds us all together and what brings us all together. And it's through the love that we actually experience the true joy and the true happiness in life. And if we don't have love in our life, and that means we don't have love in ourselves, then our life probably isn't going to be overly happy or joyful. We come to the path because we're looking for happiness, we're looking for joy, we're looking for peace, we're looking to feel that we have connection to something that is beyond ourselves and connection to ourselves. And essentially at the end of the day, we're all looking for ourselves, we're all looking for who we truly are. And we're all looking to reconnect to who we truly are. And love plays a really big part in that because it connects us to who we are. We have to love who we are in order to be able to love anything else that appears to be outside of ourselves. And we have to practice unconditional love too. So no conditions on the love. The love simply is there, and it simply happens because we can see the spirit in everybody. We can see the God and Goddess in everyone. In circle, we would often say to each other when we're passing the cakes and ale, "Thou art God, thou art Goddess," meaning that we see the divine in you. Very similar to the namaste that you'll see in Eastern traditions, which means I bow to the God within you or the divine within you. That's what we would say in circle, is basically recognizing each other's divinity, that we are gods. We actually are gods. And the gods that we work with are reminding us of that, or trying to help us realize that this is what we are. We are them, they are us. And so the love part of it is a really beautiful aspect of connecting to our divine selves, because it makes us more expansive when we feel into the energy of love. We feel the peace, we feel the joy, and we feel the abundance of the universe as well. And when we open ourselves to loving ourselves and sharing that love around us in general, we start to attract that love back to us and all the good stuff back to us. It's a very attractive energy. And so while we don't talk about it much in Wicca, it's a really important thing that perhaps we should talk more about in Wicca, because it is so powerful. I have a video where I do a meditation with the heart chakra, sending love out into the world. I'll put a link to that video in the description field so that you can go and watch that and do the meditation if you want. It's a really beautiful way of getting connected to this feeling of love within yourself, and then being able to project that out around yourself to wherever you want to project it to. And the beauty about allowing love to come outside of yourself and just grow around yourself is that not only are you spreading the love to those you want to spread it to, but you're also getting it yourself. It's actually something you're benefiting from yourself at the same time. So love is important in Wicca, even though we don't talk about it much. It's important to really love the magic that you do, to love doing the magic, to feel the joy in the magic that you're doing and having fun doing your magic, because the more you can bring into your magic of that love, the more powerful your magic is going to be, because it's going to bring you into that feeling more likely of the wish fulfilled, which is what you need to do when you're doing magic to have it be successful. So let me know in the comments field how you feel about whether love's talked about much in your experience of Wicca and witchcraft, and whether you'd like to see more talk about it, or you'd just like to see more of it in action, which is probably more important. We can talk forever, but it's actually something we have to do to make a difference. And maybe talk about your thoughts about love. Let me know in the comments field. If you want to learn Wicca with me, do have a look at the Mystery Witch School 101 course. It's pretty much everything from basic Wicca, and you've got me there as your mentor, helping you feel the love for yourself, because we do work a little bit with the shadow work and connecting to spirit, connecting to yourself, and connecting to deity and to nature, so that you can feel that love, peace, and empowerment in your life that all of that brings. The link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you to all of you who support the Mystery Witch School in all of the many ways that you support it. We wouldn't be here without you. So thank you to everybody. And may you all find the love and the prosperity that you need, desire, and want. I'll see you on the next video.